माइक टेस्टिंग 1 2 3 हेलो आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को हेलो 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 हेलो
Well, with me is the star cast of Heather that is making the promos look absolutely enticing. Shahid and Shraddha, welcome to Z Connect.
Thank you.
So this is William Shakespeare's Hamlet, Vishal Bhardwaj's version of the same. How does it feel playing the title role?
It's an amazing opportunity, so I actually look at it as something which I'm very fortunate to have got. And to get another opportunity to work with Vishal sir, who gave me a very career-defining opportunity in Kamine, gave me a role which helped me to rediscover myself as an actor and find facets which I hadn't ever thought were within me.
Right.
And he tends to do that even with a film like Heather. I felt like that. I felt challenged. I felt like I'll need to come up with stuff which I haven't done before. So it's an amazing opportunity, but it definitely was quite daunting.
Shraddha, what about you? I mean, this must have been, you are absolutely surrounded with other stalwarts as well in terms of actors and the director. There was Irfan Khan, K.K. Menon, all the lot. How has the experience been?
It's just been an experience of a lifetime for me. I feel like, when you work with a filmmaker like Vishal sir, who's responsible for bringing a turning point in, say, the careers of Priyanka Chopra, Kareena Kapoor, Tabu ma'am, Konkana Sen Sharma, then you're given that sort of opportunity which is akin to what these actresses have gotten. So it really, really makes you feel like, you've got something special. So you have to treat it like that and cherish every moment that you have. And an Indian adaptation of Hamlet and Vishal sir. So it's like wow, wow, wow.
Killer
raised to
combination. Yeah.
a million.
Shahid, we have obviously seen the promos and they look absolutely great. Very intriguing, and what has been really talked about is your look, especially, which I think is in the final scene where you go bald. So how was that? And you were also wearing lenses, if I'm not wrong. So tell us something about that look.
Yeah, I'm so happy actually when I remember I got a very, very nice reaction the first time we put the look out when I kind of, cropped my hair the way it is in the poster, not the completely bald look, but when I cropped my hair and I had a beard, and yes, I do wear lenses in the film because Vishal sir wanted my eyes to be lighter, like how Kashmiri people's eyes are. And I think that was an amazing thing of him to think of, because eyes really are the window to the soul, and they kind of completely transformed me into a different person. I felt different about myself, and that's how it started, the journey to find Heather.
And when you're portraying such kind of intensity on screen, and does that happen that off screen, does it affect you while you're in the process? Like now we can see you're relaxed, the movie is done, but during that period...
We had a lot of fun on set actually. We had a lot of fun while making the movie.
One would think that, we're making a Shakespearean adaptation and it's Hamlet and, complex characters and conflicting emotions, and so the atmosphere on set would be of
brooding and
really nothing like that at all. Far from it, especially when you have Vishal sir, who is only filled with love, only filled with warmth coming your way, even in terms of how he directs you, the way that he instructs you. His voice, of course, is Makhmali, but his emotions also come across like that when he's telling you things or he's directing you. So there was far from it.
I wanted to talk about, you mentioned a while back that your family was saying that you were different when the movie was shot. So did you really get a part of Heather home when you used to be done shooting?
Part of Heather will be nicely tucked away in my heart for the rest of my life. It's that special a film to me. I'm sure I kind of scared my family a little bit, that's what they said, because I maybe was a little zoned out, or I was preoccupied, and I've said this, I was very preoccupied because I was constantly wondering whether I'll be able to do this role. It's like you get into something and then you after a while tell yourself, pagal tha kya, kyun kiya tune ye? There were days when I would feel that I was like, dude, like,
what am I
man,
doing?
like, I hope I get this, man, because this is really like a difficult one, so maybe because of that I used to be thinking about things, and so yeah, part of Heather in my heart for the rest of my life.
Brilliant. Thank you so much, guys. All the best for the movie ahead.
Thank you.
वो जो सांस की एक फांस थी वो निकल गई जो खराश थी
I have loved you more than my life.
वो खलिश गई